The industry of agriculture is in great need of machines that can live up to its demands and standards. Welcome back to another video. Today, we'll be looking at advanced modern machines taking farming to new heights. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure to like the video and subscribe to see more like it. First in line is Nexat's groundbreaking holistic crop production system, representing the world's inaugural comprehensive solution. This expansive carrier vehicle accommodates interchangeable modules for diverse applications, encompassing tillage, sowing, plant protection, and harvesting. The revolutionary aspect lies in the ability of a single individual to effortlessly switch these attachment modules in just 10 minutes. The machine operates on electric power generated by a 550 horsepower diesel engine, with plans to transition to hydrogen fuel. Notably outperforming traditional large combines, its harvesting module achieves a remarkable throughput increase of over 50%, attributed to its innovative widespread control traffic approach. Cross Agricultural Engineering, an esteemed Irish firm, holds a prominent position in the agricultural equipment sector. Among their notable offerings is the Cross Agricultural Potato Washer, designed to provide farmers with an enhanced method for cleaning potatoes prior to processing. The machine features a sizable tank filled with water, where potatoes undergo a thorough cleaning process as they are agitated to remove dirt, stones, and debris. The continuous circulation of filtered water ensures a meticulous and efficient washing procedure that caters to various potato types through adjustable water jets. The machine not only ensures optimal cleanliness without damage but also significantly reduces labor requirements, offering farmers a time and cost-effective alternative to manual labor. Let's explore the Amatis Peanut Digger, meticulously crafted for unearthing peanut plants. This digger is equipped with heavy-duty conveyor belts, robust digger blades, and high-boron steel bars, ensuring a prolonged service life, minimal maintenance, and enhanced blade coverage in the field. With the capability to cut tap roots and shear the soil, it strategically leaves the peanut plants in the ground for subsequent collection. The flatter conveyors, coupled with a uniquely designed shaker idler, enhance dirt extraction and minimize rollback, ensuring an efficient harvesting process. The inclusion of an inversion system guarantees consistent windrows, promoting uniformity. Another machine from this Irish company, Cross Agricultural Engineering, presents the Cross Agricultural Chaser Bin, a machinery designed to streamline the efficient movement of harvests from harvesters to storage or processing facilities. Particularly beneficial for large-scale harvesting, this bin boasts a substantial hopper with a capacity of up to 30 tons, allowing farmers to transport crops swiftly and effectively with fewer trips. Attached to a tractor or combine harvester, the bin facilitates easy transportation. With user-friendly features like hydraulic unloading systems and self-cleaning augers, the Cross Agricultural Chaser Bin prioritizes simplicity and durability while minimizing maintenance needs. This not only saves farmers time but also reduces expenses associated with repairs. We have the Amatis Peanut Combine, a revolutionary self-propelled peanut combine that stands as the world's highest capacity in its class. This cutting-edge machine is the result of a remarkable 20-year collaboration between Modern Industries and John Deere, epitomizing the pinnacle of innovation in peanut harvesting technology. Designed to assist operators in navigating trouble spots and end rows, the 1990 ensures that valuable crops are spared from damage and loss. Equipped with a Tier 4 turbocharged 333 horsepower engine, the Amatis 1990 boasts not only power but also introduces a new premium cab for enhanced operator comfort. Its harvesting capacity surpasses that of a comparable portside combined by an impressive margin, showcasing efficiency and a highly successful tool created exclusively for the mechanical harvesting of grapes is the Oxbow 6230 grape harvester. It is practical to use for both fresh market produce and wine grapes because of its self-propelled nature. The Oxbow 6230 takes the grapes and pushes them into the hopper area using a set of shaking rods that gently shake the vine. In order to transport the berries into bins or gondolas attached to the machine, the berries must be first removed from any leaves or other debris. The grapes are handled with the utmost care during this process to keep them whole and immaculate. The Oxbow 6230's ability to harvest with efficiency and speed is one of its most noticeable characteristics. For vineyards wishing to streamline their production procedures, the machine, with a capacity of up to 20 tons per hour, is the best option. Besides being effective, the Oxbow 6230 is also made to be simple to operate. Its user-friendly design makes it simple to use. The Markrest Bale Bearer 4220, a tractor-mounted apparatus, is specifically engineered for efficient handling and transportation of large square bales of hay, straw, or crop remnants. Designed with a unique structure, it becomes an excellent choice for more extensive farming enterprises, boasting the ability to stack up to 18 hay bales simultaneously. The operational mechanism involves the device picking up bales and stacking them uniformly through a network of belts and conveyors, facilitating the quick and efficient movement of bales over considerable distances. Noteworthy is the Markrest Bale Bearer 4220's versatility, allowing it to be utilized with various tractors, catering to the diverse equipment requirements of farmers. Its adaptability extends to handling bales of different sizes, further enhancing its practicality. The Croplands Rover stands as the most maneuverable and low-profile self-propelled sprayer available, surpassing competitors in agility. Its compact design allows it to access and spray areas beyond the reach of conventional tractors. The sprayer features a highly efficient front entry fan and downstream straightening vanes, optimizing air generation with minimal horsepower requirements. Powered by a 4-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine, it ensures robust performance. The machine is equipped with a standard air bar, such as the Dash 170 breast pump, replaceable with the A200 for higher volume applications. Its fully sealed and air-conditioned cab includes user-friendly navigation controls, a reverse camera, and an LCD. The robust Rambo 6 bale grab attachment offers a powerful solution for handling large straw or hay bales lengthwise. Designed to work seamlessly with a heavy-duty shovel weighing approximately 14 tons, this attachment can securely hold up to 6 bales. Operating simplicity is ensured through the hydraulic connection between the shovel's hydraulic system and the clamp. Specifically crafted for unloading 120 cm wide bales, the Rambo 6 bale grab incorporates 24 meticulously designed steel hooks, 5 hydraulic automates, 1 cylinder, and 4 hooks per bale. Distinguished by a deep hook design facilitating a secure grip around the bales, the fixed frame construction ensures durability and reliability. The Rambo 6 bale grab presents numerous advantages. The deep penetration and secure hold of the hooks tightly pull the bales against the main frame, reducing the risk of damage during transportation and unloading, and preserving their integrity and usability. Now, let's explore the Monchero Hazelnut Harvester, an innovation that has streamlined the traditionally complex harvesting process, previously requiring 3 separate machines. This advanced technology allows the operator to make necessary adjustments directly from the cabin. Featuring a convenient start/end button, it effortlessly lifts the brushes, halts the rollers, and shuts down harvesting functions simultaneously. Operating at nearly double the speed of traditional equipment, reaching a speed of 7 miles per hour, the harvester's efficiency is heightened as it combines 3 functions in a single pass. This integration translates to reduced labor costs, lower fuel consumption, and minimized maintenance compared to conventional harvesting equipment. Notably, its unique fan design ensures the prevention of clogging, even in challenging muddy conditions. We have the Trioliet Mix is a multifunctional agricultural equipment known for its dual role as a silage cutter and feed mixer, providing an impressive bucket capacity of 12 cubic meters. One of its standout features is the wide-angle power takeoff (PTO) shaft, a critical component that transfers power from the tractor to the attachment. This unique design enables the Trioliet Mix to seamlessly perform loading, mixing, and discharge operations in a single, continuous cycle. Equipped with a hydraulic cutting knife system, this machine employs a purpose-designed cutting and loading mechanism. The result is not only efficient cutting but also minimal wastage, ensuring that the structural integrity of the feed is maintained during the entire process. The Trioliet Mix's compact size and the excellent rearward visibility provided by the tractor enhance its mobility and ease of maneuverability, simplifying the C-Series self-propelled sprayer from Croplands, a formidable addition to the agricultural landscape. These sprayers come equipped with a high-tensile steel boom, spanning an impressive range from 30.5 to 36.6 meters, equivalent to approximately 120 feet. This extensive boom not only covers substantial ground but also plays a crucial role in maintaining product consistency, reducing waste, and minimizing contamination throughout the spraying process. One of the key innovations of the C-Series is the integration of a smart drive system, ensuring a harmonious blend of consistent power, torque, and traction. This intelligent system contributes to optimal performance, allowing the sprayer to navigate various terrains with precision and efficiency. The inclusion of nozzle body valves facilitates on and off section control, providing the operator with the flexibility to spray as required, enhancing precision in application. Hey guys, thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to explore some of our other content linked here. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, your support is always valued. Stay connected for more exciting updates, and until next time, take care.